Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you some brand new bumpers I bought for my jet ski. If you'd like more information on them or want to purchase one for yourself, I'll leave the link down in the description below for you. But this is actually going to go on a 2023 GTI 170 SE, and these are the bumpers right over here. And this is how you install it. You basically put some holes, usually 2 holes, right into the bumper side. And I just try to be careful not to over penetrate to go into the body of the Sea-Doo or your jet ski. So what I would recommend is to use a drill bit that's a little bit smaller than the screw, and then you can use some caulking or RTV or even some Loctite to screw it in so it doesn't want to come off. And basically the hole is right over here for your bumper piece to go into. So most important thing about using these bumpers is that once you put it in, you want to lock it in place. So for example, when it's in the out position, you want to push it in. You should hear it kind of snap. So to install the bumper, you're going to pull the pin out. You're going to stick it right through the hole, just like that. Slide it on there, just like so. And then, like I said before, you want that piece right there. It's kind of hard to see it, but you want to push it in, just like that. So I have mine set up like this so that if I'm by the dock, it doesn't get tore up by the pylons or the barnacles on the pylons, and it won't damage my speakers. I can even have this angled like this to where it kind of overlaps. And then on my back part over here, I have it set up to where it hugs all along here. I'll show you really quick here. So same thing, gonna pop this out like that, shove in the hole, and then lay it down, and then lock it in place. Just like that. So this is what it looks like from this angle. You can see how it really hugs it, both of them. So I really like this setup. If you're using something different and it works for you, definitely comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed today's quick little video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching. All right, let's do this.